Hello and welcome, creative friends. I'm so happy that you're here with me again. So let me tell you a little story. This challenge almost completely slipped my mind. Last night I was watching a video from the lovely Lily Guerrero and suddenly it hit me. Wait, I wanted to do this challenge too. You know, that spark of excitement when creativity just calls your name? That's exactly what happened. So this morning I went straight into action mode. Coffee in one hand, scissors in the other. And I made a quick little journal just for this challenge. I'm now catching up with the prompts and let me tell you, there are quite a few. Some pages are still waiting for their turn, but that's part of the fun. We are creating, not racing. Today I want to share my spread for day 1920, Pets and Cats. Such a playful and spooky prompt. I had some leftover papers from my previous Halloween journals. You'll find those flip-throughs linked below, and I thought, why not use them here? I also found some fabulous stencils my kids had laying around and a few stickers that have been patiently waiting for their moment to shine. And somehow, everything came together on this spread. A mix of leftovers, a touch of chaos and a whole lot of fun. talk a little bit about what's like behind the scenes. I know many of you can relate. Being a creative person, a parent, and a small YouTube creator all at once isn't easy. There's that constant pull to keep up with uploads, challenges, editing, and posting, while life keeps happening all around you. Sometimes I film between homework time and dinner, sometimes late at night when the house is finally quiet. And yes, it can feel a little discouraging when you're still trying to reach those first 500 subscribers. But you know what keeps me going? You. This amazing creative community, the people who show up, comment and share their art. It reminds me that every single connection matters. Every video, every page, every tiny act of creativity adds up. So if you're watching this and you've ever felt the same, keep going. Your art matters. Your creativity matters. Don't let the numbers steal your joy. We create because it fills us with something real. So here's to the messy desk, unfinished pages and those moments when everything finally clicks. I hope this spread inspires you to grab your scraps, your stencils or whatever is on your table and just create. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a creative friend and subscribe to my channel for more cozy craft chats and junk journaling inspiration. Every like and comment really helps this little creative corner grow, and I appreciate it more than I can say. you so much for spending this time with me today. Don't forget to check out the other artists in the hashtag Halloween Journal Challenge hosted by Kia Creates. There's so much spooky inspiration out there. Until next time, happy creating, and remember, your creativity is magic.